shampoo in the hair.
Hi guys, we're just getting on live right
A lot
now.
of tangling and shedding, and a lot of hair loss. And the knots don't bleach at all.
We're actually testing some hair. We got some hair in from a vendor who sent us some a wig to test out, and now we are giving him our feedback because we don't like the hair. So we're just letting you guys listen to what it's like for us to test hair here. Sometimes vendors send us samples to test. Sometimes pre-pandemic, we would have people stop by our store and they say, hey, I'm so-and-so from China. Sometimes we would get people from India and they would bring in samples of hair, and they would ask my feedback, and I would always give them honest feedback. I probably test about 50 different hair companies a week, and I've stuck with my same supplier for the last 8 years because I haven't found anybody that gives me better quality. But I'll just let you guys listen to the feedback we are giving the supplier. We always color and wash the hair, and just listen for the feedback.
It doesn't lift light enough as well. So the hair that we have here lifts all the way up to blonde, and yours lifts to only brown.
Can you guys hear it? Come closer. Come closer. So the person who the person who sent us the wig is now on the phone, and we're giving them the feedback.
We color it in store, and it's better to color it in store because we can get it exactly how the client wants it. So when we color it in store, we can do specific colors. We can get it right where the customer wants it. So if we get it from you guys, the color might not be right.
And it'll take too long.
And it takes a long time. So when we color in store, it only takes about 2 days. But when we do it from you, we have to wait for you to get it back. It's a lot more work.
So this manufacturer is trying to convince us to let them do our
So we can
coloring.
color in store. We have a color,
and then they send it to us. That doesn't work because we like that you're able to come in and choose your color, and then boom, boom, bam, we'll have it ready for you in a couple of days. So we're not going to outsource our coloring to a manufacturer.
And color 30. We can color all these colors. There's no problem, and we make curly and then color. All no problem, but don't know why so many problems.
Just so you guys know, we test a lot of hair around here. People used to come in and bring me samples.
Hair is
now since the pandemic,
hard
they
to color, and then it lost its curl pattern, so it doesn't have the same curl pattern. So if we're selling the wig, we need the wig to have the same curl pattern that it originally had before color. And with our manufacturer, even if we color it, the hair color keeps its integrity. It has the same color.
So this is what we tested out from them, and some things I don't like you see.
And then
can we color one for your reference?
And it's just not good quality. So we definitely test a lot of hair here. This does not meet our standard. This is not from us. This is a sample that they sent us. We lifted it and then deposited some color on it, and this sheds more than we would normally like. So definitely shop.
You want us to send you a picture of a wig that's the same color?
So this is not good quality hair. It has potential, but this is a new factory that wanted me to test out their hair, and it's not meeting my standards.
1 week of our samples and 1 week from your other supplier.
Okay, so we'll send you another picture of the quality, but the quality is not the same at all. So it's not the same. It's not comparable to the quality that we have already. It's very low quality here.
From the picture, I think your other supplier wig hair end is very dry.
And it sheds, and the lace tore.
Yeah, no, this is great hair. So the one we have from our supplier is great hair. It doesn't, when we color it, it doesn't lose its pattern. It can lift all the way up to about 613. It can achieve any color. It doesn't change. It doesn't shed. It takes hot styling tools. It does all of that.
And the lace doesn't tear.
And the lace doesn't tear. The lace is weak on yours, where it's weaker than our lace, and then your knots don't even bleach on your
So
wig.
that means your hair has dye in it, and that's why we can't lift it.
So the knots on your wig does not even bleach. So it's still black. So no matter how long we leave the bleach on the knots, it doesn't even lift.
So for the next step, let us do one color wig, oil checking.
And sometimes we don't understand what they're saying.
What
Hey, Lisa.
you wanted to do a colored wig?
Yeah, we color one wig on our set, and then you can see how the wig will be looking like. You can see the wig will be very good after cutting on our set. Do you understand me?
I don't understand.
Say it again.
Hello?
Understand?
No, I can't understand. Can you repeat it one more time?
My meaning is we color one wig on our set, and you can see our wig quality, which colored on our set.
But we want to color it in store. We don't want to have you color it. We want to color it in store. So if it doesn't color in store, we don't want it.
Right, we need it to be natural color and good quality and be able to lift it.
I think maybe there is something wrong during the coloring on your set. This is my suggestion.
You said one more time?
Hello?
Yes, what did you say?
My meaning is maybe there's something wrong during the color on your set.
Maybe something's wrong with our color?
No, we use top quality color. So we use we color wigs here all our by ourselves too. We color all the wigs. So all the wigs we have in store, we have over 200 wigs, and probably about 50% of them are colored, and they're all colored nicely. And all the colors come out beautifully. They don't fade. They're vibrant. They color. They lift. Your hair doesn't lift.
Your hair doesn't lift.
Not even the knots lift. So the knots are black. They don't change color at all. They didn't get blonde. They didn't even bleach. Nothing changed on the way.
Do you just after when during your coloring, you should first fade the natural color to the light color, right?
What did you say? One more time?
When you color the wig, the first step is fade the natural color, fade the hair color to light color first, and then you put such as you want purple color on the wig, you should make the natural color to light color, and then put the purple color on the light hair.
Yes.
Yeah, we bleached it. So we bleached the hair, but it didn't lift.
So if you're
it
just
only
tuning
lifts to
in,
about
we're
brown.
talking with a manufacturer who sent
So
me
it doesn't
some hair
lift. So it lifts to like a number 4 brown. No
test.
lighter than a number 4.
Oftentimes, pre-pandemic, a lot of companies would come in, would fly in, and bring me
Then we
suitcases full
lift
of hair
it,
to
and then
test, and I would
we
give them
put
my honest
the purple.
opinion
The hair
whether I
doesn't
like it or
bleach.
don't
So with
like
our
it.
hair,
Now
with
that
our
we're in a
manufacturer,
pandemic,
it
a lot of
lifts
these
to
suppliers
630. It
will
lifts
mail
to
me hair,
blonde, like
and
number
then we
6
test it to see
blonde.
if we like it. So what we did with this one, they sent us this sample here, and I could tell when it came out of the package that I wasn't going to like it, but you know, somebody sent me something, I'm going to give them great feedback. So we lifted the hair. The hair did not lift how we needed it to. Then we deposited some purple on it, but the texture changed. We were not able to lift the knots here.
You said what?
And there's a hole in the lace.
Have you finished
So I'm actually from washing it one time.
We
So
finished the
trust
color.
and
Yeah,
believe
we don't like the hair quality.
know
It's
what we're
not
doing
good
here at
quality.
Magic Hair Company.
We tried to color
A lot
it,
of
it
these
won't take the color.
manufacturers try to get me to change to them, but we test things comparable. When I tell you we have the best hair here at Magic Hair Company, believe us. I've been testing hair for 10 plus years. I'm always willing to test new hair, so if you were a manufacturer and would like to
No,
send
it's
me a
not
sample
what we
to
expected.
test,
We wanted some good
bring
quality
it.
hair,
We'll
but it's
color
not
it,
good
we'll wash
quality.
it, we will do what we have to do and give you honest feedback on your hair. So this is just a little bit behind the scenes on what it takes to run a hair company and how we test hair.
Okay, thank you.
So he's
Thank
on the
you,
phone
bye-bye.
talking with us.
Bye-bye.
What did he say?
Thank you, bye-bye. We have to find another method.
For his hair? Okay, yeah, so that was that. So if you guys couldn't hear me when I was whispering, we're testing hair right here. A manufacturer sent us some hair to test. Often people are sending me hair because they want my business, of course. I have lots of wigs here at Magic Hair Company, and with this supplier, things that we did not like, the hair, when we lifted it, it changed the curl pattern, which means that they have way too many chemicals in this hair. It's also very dry and brittle to the touch. As you can see, it did not lift easily. It did not lift evenly, and then we deposited this purple color on it. So it did not turn purple when we lifted it. We deposited a purple on it, and so these are all the little things that we noticed. The lace is torn just from washing it, and we would never sell lace that's not durable. That's one of the issues I have with this new transparent lace, because the lace is not durable, and my clients like to wear their wigs from years and months and for a long time, and we cannot have lace tearing. Also with this hair, we tried to bleach some knots, and we were not able to bleach the knots on this wig here, which means that they have put jet black dye in their hair here, which made it hard to lift, and also made it you know, that jeopardizes the quality. So we definitely are testing out hair here at Magic Hair Company all the time. I will be in China this year. I'm going to do a post on our story because people are always wanting to know when I'm going to China. I'll be going to China in September to meet with quite a few manufacturers because I have a few new products I'm introducing, but that's just a little bit behind the scenes on what it takes to run a hair company. I've had my same manufacturer for the last 8 years, but I'm always open to trying somebody new. I try everything, and I have not been satisfied with a lot of the hair that's been brought to me or has been delivered here. That's just a little bit behind the scenes on what goes on here at Magic Hair Company. Don't forget to check out our sale. We're currently having a 20% off sale at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City, USA store. I'm Janice, owner of Magic Hair Company. Thank you for watching. Bye. There's